Hi guys, okay, so I just made this squishy. Okay, and I'm gonna say to you guys how, and then we're gonna try to make a glow in the dark squishy. Okay, so how to make this squishy? It was so cool, like this feels amazing. Okay, so you take a balloon and then you go to the bathroom and it takes some, and try to fill up some sand in it. I use this, it's a type of sand with just white color, and then some water in it, and then you just have to that, and then you guys have to tie it. Where did it go? Did you guys steal it? What? Found it. And then you need to tie it. Then you have this squishy. It's so satisfying. Okay, now we're just gonna try to make a glow in the dark one. Okay. Here is some scissors. We need some scissors, a balloon, and some, what is it? Yeah, something that will glow in the dark, I think. Oh my god, I'm gonna be, oh. I thought I was gonna be smart, and then this changed. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, we're just gonna take some of these inside it. Now that's done, I'm gonna fill this up with water. Voila, we made a squishy. Now we're gonna check if it glows in the, oh my god, dark. Guys, it's actually worked. Come under here. Did you see it glow? I did here. Like and subscribe.